To change the battery for this remote, first you will need to take out the key. Here is that button right there. We will press this button and then pull the key outwards, just like that. The point where you took out the key from, notice there is that position right there. Here I'm going to be using this kind of screwdriver to pull this cover out. We'll punch in the screwdriver right there and then pull this cover outwards. There's the cover taken out, and right there you would notice the battery. Using the same screwdriver, here is that position where I will punch in the edge of the screwdriver and then pull this battery outwards. Just like that. It is a CR2450 type battery that's needed for this kind of remote. Now my battery is good, so I will punch in the battery back in that remote, but in case if you have a new battery and you want to install, you can use the following steps. Notice this position right there. That is where we need to slide in the battery first inside, and once it's completely in, then we will push the battery downwards. All the edges of the battery should be inside, and in this case the battery is installed good. Now I will go ahead and punch in the back cover. The back cover has a tab behind right here. You would notice we need to slide in that point first, and once the bottom portion is completely in, only then we will force the top portion to go completely in. Just like that. We'll make sure all the edges are completely inside, and it seems like it is good. Now we will go ahead and install the key in the remote. With that, we are done with the replacement of the battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.